Yo, what's up guys, it's me, William Law. I'm heading towards the Bay Ridge Avenue R train station right now. Station name is Bay Ridge Avenue, built on January 15, 1916 as part of an extension from 59th Street to 86th Street. This is the second station that will be renovated by the MTA, or acronymized as Metropolitan Transportation Authority. And you can tell that the exit has the advertisement signs removed already, as they'll begin work in like next week or so. And there's vent plans, and there was a station there. I'm in a bus stop. This is the Senator Street. And over there is another B9 bus stop, which is for the Kings Plaza bound bus, which is located at Bay Ridge Avenue, 4th Ave. And this is going to be part one of the video. Underground itself, there's like 2 side platforms. Man, I'm gonna miss the old vintage childhood look of this. Just gonna like get some shoots of it. Alright, I'm gonna be heading underground now, and this is what's happening. So yeah, I'm gonna be heading downstairs now, as the staff will be asking for me to answer the... Oh, so nobody's in there then. Cool. So yeah, this is what's happening. Station rehab is coming. And yeah, I'm gonna swipe in now. Just gonna give you guys the final look of the mezzanine itself. And hang on a second. Hang on a moment while I get my MetroCard out. This is what the old MetroCard reader looks like. Pretty soon it's gonna get replaced, so yeah. Hey guys, this is me again, William Law. Just gonna swipe in for a moment. This is how you swipe it. Is the turnstile. This is part 2, by the way, of the Bay Ridge Avenue station tour, right before it will be closed. Gonna focus on this Bay Ridge Avenue 95th Street bound side platform first. This is the entire tile wall itself. And this is what the old platform looks like right now. Just gonna take a picture when I go all the way down there. Yep. There's just only like 2 exits and 1 entrance at the same time. This platform seems to look a little off, cause like this is like one car longer, and this one is one car longer for the Manhattan side. But I guess that's how the MTA layered it out. Guess I'm gonna give you that guys last final looks of the platforms itself. And a similarity between this station along with a few other 4th Avenue stations along the R train line is that the downtown Brooklyn bound platform, or the Bay Ridge-95th Street bound train platform, only has exits, while the northbound platforms So, the R160A and R160B R train, which is shown here, is heading towards Jamaica-179th Street. Normally the terminal is 471st Avenue, but because of track work going on along Queens Boulevard, the train is going express from Jackson Heights Roosevelt Avenue on 74th Street Broadway all the way to 471st Avenue. So, to avoid further delay, the tailing car number is 9937, while leading car is 9357. Normally the trains this weekend, the terminal would be 471st Avenue, which is shown right here. But because of track work going on along the Queens Boulevard line, only the uptown Queens bound E and R trains, which includes the late night E and daytime R trains, are going express from Jackson Heights Roosevelt Avenue, 71st Street Broadway to Forest Hills 71st Avenue. And so, to avoid further delays caused by the R train that would terminate at Forest Hills 71st Avenue, they decided to extend that train to Jamaica 179th Street, which is pretty cool, I gotta admit. And the exit at the southbound platform, which is that one, is the kind of exit that 53rd Street and 77th Street used to have. Well, only 77th Street and this station still has it, but 53rd Street is being closed for a while. But yeah, I guess there's no big deal. It's like people just have to use bus service or just walk to the station. And yeah, this kind of layout with the oh no. Now the platform layouts are interesting too. This one is like 1 to 2 cars longer or far away from the Manhattan bound train platform, while the Manhattan bound platform, which is the very end over there, is like 1 to 2 cars away from this platform. So yeah guys, I'm gonna be heading back to the uptown platform, wait for an R46, and capture it in action. And the bus stops around it are the B9 and B64. The B9 bus stop is next to the entrance of the station, located at Bay Ridge Avenue and 4th Ave, just like I mentioned in part 1. And the B64 bus stop is located at Bay Ridge Ave and 4th Ave as well, except the B64 bus is going down to Bay Ridge, somewhere in Shore Road, along with the downtown B9 bus, while the B64 bus going the opposite direction of the Shore Road bound B64 bus is going to Coney Island. And the B9 bus route going the opposite direction of the Shore Road bound B9 bus is going to East Plaza. And this is going to be the final look on the side too. This station feels no difference at all, honestly. Yep. Alright, so this is only end, and this looks like the portal that you could see of 77th Street itself. I'm gonna try as hard as I can to aim directly at it, but I'll see for myself. Well, at least this was an attempt, so yeah. Well, I guess the train is approaching, huh? And I'm pretty sure it's the Bay Ridge-95th Street bound R train. Pretty sure it's an R46. Who knows? I'm not gonna get my hopes too high on it, to be honest. But yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see. Yep. And there's another R160. Yep. Leading car number downtown is 9653. Yep, almost reaching the end, but there's the R40. Oh no, I'm not sure if it's an R160 or not. Yep, definitely looks like it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to hurry up and wrap this thing up. Alright, this is going to be the final montage moment. Almost at the near front end, or the north end. Alright. And this is gonna be it, pretty sure. Oh no, now I realize it's an R160. Yep. Leading car number uptown is 5658. Set numbers featured at 5658, and the tailing rear car or south car motor is unknown yet, but once the train completely leaves, I'll show you. Yep, rear car number is 5580 or 5578. I think I forgot about it, but yeah, I'll go check again if I could. Oh no, just another R160. South motor car is 9773, and north car motor tailing is 9747. Damn, this station is like loaded with a triple thread of nothing but R160s. Two of them which is an R160A, and the other which is an R160A and R160B hybrid. Damn, that is crazy. So yeah, there you have it. Bay Ridge Avenue station tour before its rebuild with a pile of actions featuring triple threat of R160s, as mentioned, with 2 pure R160As and a hybrid mixed with R160As and R160Bs, plus a bonus R46. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Any questions or comments or requests, just comment below. Stay tuned.